I look like I'm crying. I'm not. Noah has me cracking up in the background. It looks like he's gonna cry. Don't cry. We're cracking up. We're not drunk, but we are doing a vegan-ish Thanksgiving. It's actually 99.5% vegan. We're basically only making a bunch of sides and dessert because when we went to Trader Joe's, they do have those like fake turkeys, and maybe they're really good. Maybe the vegan turkeys are good. If you've had it, please let me know. I've had vegan turkey lunch meat and that's good, but the big whole like soy tofu turkey just didn't sound good to me.
It looked like a loaf.
It looked like a loaf of bread and it was like stuffed with stuff. So we decided to skip that. So we're pretty much making a bunch of sides, but I kind of think the sides are the best part. So we are doing balsamic Brussels sprouts. We are baking some carrots. We're doing a cheesy broccoli cauliflower bake. We should have got like pasta for it. We might have pasta. We might add pasta into it. We're gonna be making cornbread, sweet potatoes, and then for dessert we are making some puff pastries. These are the Wee Walka puff pastries, and I love these because they're all high quality ingredients. They did send these to me. They sent me a ton. They literally sent me like 2 huge boxes in the mail of their vegan friendly products, which I thought was so nice of them. So the puff pastry and the pie dough are both vegan friendly, and the rest of their products are vegetarian friendly, which I love. And the cool thing is all of their doughs are in the refrigerated section. You keep them in your fridge and then they're like super easy, ready to use. I'll show you when we make it. All right, we're starting our puff pastries, and we had a genius idea. We're gonna make 2 rounds of them. One that's gonna be like fruity, dessert-ish, and the other one, we're gonna make little vegan turkey and cheese, or vegan ham and cheese little pastries. That way we still have turkey on our fake Thanksgiving. Boom! Boom. So I wanna show you how easy this is. So it comes already on this paper. You don't have to buy anything. So there's no mess to clean up. You don't have to get any flour. You don't have to knead the dough. You literally just pull it out of your fridge. You just pull this down and literally you unroll it. How nice is that?
4 lines, yeah.
Okay, so 1 down the middle. Is this the middle? Yeah. Whoa. So now you have the beginning of your pastries. And literally now all you do, once you fill them up with whatever you want to fill them up with, take 1 corner. You gotta be careful because I kind of overstuff mine. You just pull it over. Alright. Oh, those lights are blinding.
It's good though.
Shoot.
It's a spotlight.
Look at make sure we're looking at the camera all the time and never yourself.
Yeah.
Hi. We finished cooking. What was that? Oh.
Is that your wedding ring?
No, it was a screw from our table. And look at it, it just fell on the floor. I put this table together. Dang it, must have not done a good job. All right, all the food is cooked. It's time for us to eat. The pastries look
super good.
So good. Everything looks good. We got the Brussels.
Very photogenic carrots.
Very photogenic carrots. Honestly, this is pretty healthy.
Yeah, a lot of vegetables for sure.
Wait, do we need like some serving things, like a scooper?
It's just you and I. Let's just use our forks.
I'm gonna use a scooper.
Just...
Alright, so this is the broccoli stuff. I don't know if this one's gonna be good. Dang, I wish we had bigger plates. These plates are smaller than I expected them to be.
We'll just like refill them a lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with ham and cheese.
Easily.
Turkey and cheese, because we don't have.
Ham's still like at Thanksgiving.
Is it? I'm gonna get some broccoli. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Your 2 carrots. Do you want?
It's efficient.
Do you want? Let's choose the scooper. We'll switch here. Do you want some broccoli?
I do. Thank you.
Want some Brussels?
Would you like 4 carrots?
Yes, 4. See, doing great. Oh, this looks pretty good.
This does look
Oh, I don't have cornbread. Please don't get my sweater here in my thing. Yeah, I'm grabbing it with my hands. Ooh, do you want a piece?
Sure.
I'm gonna cut it on the table. Yeah. Oh wait, I want the corner piece. Okay. Oh, butter.
Ooh, it is sweet.
Do I need butter or anything?
No.
Butter.
You are from Georgia.
Butter. When I was a kid, my grandpa would make cornbread pancakes. It was my favorite thing. And I don't think we'd like top with like butter and honey.
I don't think I've ever heard of that, but that sounds good.
I think it's just because we had leftover cornbread mix and he would just make it as. Okay.
All right. I'm gonna try
The broccoli? Oh, so we tried filming this a while ago. We were like really nervous. We were trying to be super professional, but it didn't work. So some of the main questions we got, we're gonna answer. Wait, how is that?
It's a very mild cheese flavor.
So if you like things super cheesy, you might want to add more cheese stuff to the broccoli cheddar.
You can still taste that it's cheddary. It's just like very like
Light.
subtle.
Main questions we got in our last video were all about how we met, which I feel like we've talked about a lot, but it's been a long time. I'll call it butter on my fork.
Ooh, Lindsay, that with espresso, like making a latte.
That would be good.
It's like a creamer, a coffee creamer.
I'm gonna give the dogs a little treat because they're being really good. Where's mine?
Anyway, how we met.
Oh, so the main question we always get is how we met, how we got engaged, how long we've got engaged. So we're gonna give you a recap. We met in Ohio when we were both very collegey. Noah was like, you know, kind of frattish.
Super frat boy.
Totally fine. And we both partied a lot, which is weird because neither of us party at all now. And we met through, I had just moved to Ohio from Georgia randomly. That's a whole another story. So I moved to Ohio and I was making random friends, and this girl invited me out to go out to drink and go to a bar. I said yes. She's like, oh, we're gonna stop by this house party. We went to the house party. It was Noah's house party. He threw house parties. I wasn't invited to house parties, okay? I saw him, I was like, here's mine. I didn't say that, but I thought it. And then we started dating.
That's cute.
Well, we got super drunk that night, embarrassingly. I puked a lot. This is really weird to talk about what we're eating. But I got really sick. He was such a gentleman. And like took care of me the whole night, took me for pancakes the next morning. And now we're like grandparents together.
Yeah.
We're not grandparents, that sounds weird, but.
How long have we been dating now? 3 years dating. Dear God.
So
You're the best girlfriend
we
I've ever had.
got engaged 6 months later on Thanksgiving. Remember? Is your eye twitchy?
No.
Yes, it is.
Is it a little?
Okay. I want to try my first pastry, my ham one. Oh, should we dip them in like mustard?
Ooh, yeah.
Will you grab some mustard?
Yeah.
Those are bomb though.
They're good, aren't they?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got engaged 6 months later. On Thanksgiving, in New York City. Noah proposed in Washington Square Park. 2 years later, we got married. And that was 2 years ago. 1 year ago. A year and a half ago.
Year and a half, yeah.
A year and a half ago. So that's our, oh, and we got married in Greece. I feel like that's the biggest question is about our wedding. We got married in Santorini, Greece. It was a destination wedding. We had like 4 people there, or 6 people there. I would not have it any other way. I don't think people realize destination weddings are so, I mean, I don't know about every country you could do, but our Greece destination wedding ended up being way cheaper than a regular wedding. And another fun fact, Noah and I paid for our entire wedding, all of it, our honeymoon and everything.
Honeymoon and everything.
On our own, which was really expensive. We do have, I'm being really honest, we have a little bit of debt from it still. We were like, we put it on credit cards. I don't know if that's the smartest thing to do ever, but I don't regret it.
It's something we'll never forget, too.
I mean, we just didn't have anyone to help us with it, so we wanted to do it, so we did it, I guess.
Yeah.
We're actually gonna make a video soon about how we're paying off our debt, how we budget, because we're definitely handling our debt. It'll be paid off probably by the end of next year.
Yep. Easily.
I have student loans, stuff like that. It's like we have it scheduled till we have it all paid off, so we're gonna do a video like that. But I love you. Oh my gosh.
I could eat like 5 of them.
Sorry.
Ooh, that was a good dance.
Oh yeah.
Do you want mayo?
We're so cheesy.
Oh wow. Yeah. I can't see
gosh.
that, but that's nice.
Look at Rue. He's pouting from the bedroom. Aww. I'm gonna zoom in on Rue. He looks so sad.
You'll get some food, bud, don't you?
Here, Rue. Want a piece of broccoli? 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 Oh. Alright, here you go.
You're sweet.
Alright, now I'm gonna try the broccoli myself, but
What's your favorite?
the pastries. What's your favorite?
Might be a sweet potato.
I'm excited to try the dessert pastries.
The
Honestly,
pastries are super good.
broccoli is not my favorite.
No?
Not very
It's
cheesy.
it's a very mild flavor, isn't it?
It's a very yeasty, not cheesy.
This is a pretty healthy version though, like with the broccoli we did.
I love the carrots. Carrots are an underrated vegetable.
They are.
No one ever eats them, or maybe they do. I don't know. I don't ever see people eat. I don't watch, but they're good. Another question we got, I distinctly remember this one, is about kids, our future. Honestly, we have no plan. We're living life. Neither of us are ready for kids. I'm 26.
Yep.
I was 24.
Yep.
There's your answer. Everyone wants to know. Okay, yeah, I'm a cougar. All right. All right.
She's a hot cougar.
But yeah, Noah's 24. I'm 26. I definitely have a motherly bone. And I love children, and I cry when we think about having children. So I do think we'll have them.
Yep.
We're not ready. Just not yet.
We have so much traveling to do.
We want to travel a lot. We want to do like an Eat, Pray, Love year. Do like our own version. Spend like a year abroad. I think that'd be really fun. So I don't know. We're just not ready yet, but we'll get there. Everyone asks where we want to settle down at.
We've been all over the place on that one.
We don't know.
There's so many places we want to visit. We've heard Portland is like...
I think Portland's our top choice, right?
I think top choice of places we haven't been to yet.
Yeah, we haven't been, so we can't say, oh, we're gonna live in Portland. But from what we hear, we like it. From what we've only heard. I did visit Boston, and
I'm interested to see that now.
even though people were very nice to me, I told Noah like it could be worth it because it's so beautiful there, and so clean and so safe. And not everyone was mean, just not everyone was nice. And I could, with how pretty it is, I might be able to get used to it.
We'd probably be coming.
We would not. We're too nice. I just burped.
I'm gonna get another pastry. You want one?
Where?
The ham and cheese ones.
Oh, Noah's going for pastry round 2.
He's good. Your favorite dish ever for Thanksgiving?
My grandma, my Mimi's. If I called her grandma, she'd be pissed. My Mimi's chicken and dumplings. Oh.
For Thanksgiving? Really?
Mimi makes chicken dumplings every holiday for me. If I come from out of town, I'd be like, Mimi,
chicken and dumplings.
Now I don't eat chicken. I'd be like, Mimi, dumplings.
Dumplings.
Shredded dumplings. What do you think? Which Friends character am I?
Oh geez, Monica, that's so easy.
I thought it was Phoebe.
Now, like, you're free-spirited sometimes like Phoebe, but I feel like you enjoy the control that Monica enjoys.
I'm pretty controlled.
Also the short black hair, and you've literally used her as inspiration for outfits, so.
Okay, I do look up Monica's outfits on Friends, but she has like a good style. It's very simple, casual, and cool. Noah doesn't want to admit it. He's kind of a Chandler, but Chandler's a good guy. They get married. He's a good husband. You're really funny. You use humor to cope.
I sure do. So maybe.
You do? Yeah. He at the end was really like turmoiled with his career, and you're very turmoiled with your career choices.
That's true.
It's not a bad thing.
Yeah, maybe Monica
needs her Chandler.
We end up together.
Yeah, Monica doesn't need him. Whenever I say he's Chandler, he's like, I'm not. I'm like, that's a good thing, right? I think it's a good thing. What do you think annoys me most about you? And then I'll answer what I think annoys you most about me.
I would say when I don't pick up after myself because I'm pretty messy.
Your socks. I would say the only thing that really annoys me about you is your socks. He leaves his socks everywhere.
The smell of my socks or just the socks?
Both. He has the dirtiest socks, the smelliest socks.
It's so weird.
It's not weird. I feel like a lot of people have dirty, smelly socks, but most of them take them off and put them in the laundry hamper. No, we'll take them off on the what's it called? What is the thing?
Island.
Not an island. Coffee table.
Coffee
He'll
table.
put his feet up on the coffee table. He'll pull his socks off with one with the other foot, like the toe grab, and he'll leave them on the coffee table. And then he'll leave some on the floor, and then in the bed, and I'm like, ah! So yeah, you're pretty close with that one.
Really full.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say I'm starting to get really hungry. And I was like, babe, I'm going to guess what annoys you the most about me is when I nitpick.
Yeah.
Oh no! I mean, I do. I'm a nitpicker. I don't nitpick that much, do I?
I don't know. You don't. It's just
I
like,
do.
sometimes you get on a roll, you know, like when I'm really being bad, you just kind of roll with it.
That's fine. Okay. This is apple, peanut butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar. So good. But I knew they were going to be good because we've made them this week. So
We had to practice.
we practiced a lot. Oh my god, they're so good though. These are so easy to make. Easiest thing to make. Honestly, if you need to make if you want to like wow people with desserts this holiday season, or just in general, make some pastries. I highly recommend the Wee Wonka puff pastry and the pie crust. Haven't made a pie yet. We're going to. I'll figure. I'm talking. Let me just chew on.
Like shooting food out.
As soon as I figure out how to make a pie, I'll do one in like a Christmas video or something. If you have any recommendations, let me know. These are so easy to make. They're so good. You can make so many different things. They're so
So
universal. You can really diversify them. Is that the word? Diversify?
Yeah.
Is that a word?
You can use them for different situations, that's what you're saying?
I think you can diversify them. Like we have ham and cheese, we have apple, we have raspberry. You can really... That is not the right word, is it?
Puff pastries.
Puff
So
pastries.
desires.
Really? These taste good though. They're really good.
Like throw up.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I know. Come here, you get a little.
I might vomit. I'm so full.
You're still
Alright guys, I'm super stuffed. Noah.
super full.
So I think I didn't even drink most of this. But,
So many left over.
and I hate talking with my mouth full. This is very hard.
Mhm.
But we did it. We made all the food. I feel overall it was all really good. The broccoli needs a little work, but the pastries were bomb.
Super good.
The cornbread,
Really good.
bomb. The potatoes, bomb. You get it. Everything was bomb with the broccoli. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Wee Wonka. I'll have a link to them down below. Perfect for easy, I'm burping, easy pastries and pies and other things that they have around the holiday season. Check them out down below. We love you very much. Subscribe. And we'll do this around the Christmas time, I think, as well. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.